గజిబిజి గణితాన్ని గజిబిజి లేకుండా చెప్పడమే మా లక్ష్యం. దానికి మీరు చేయవలసింది మా శ్రీలత కొత్త మ్యాథ్స్ క్లబ్లో జాయిన్ కండి. మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్ ద మ్యాథ్స్ గేమ్. Are you thinking about mathematics is a very hot topic? Don't worry, I am here. In this class has trigonometrical values table, second method. I will explain the trigonometrical values table second method. That second method is root of x by 2. Then on this place x is equal to you take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. First I will take x value is 0, sin 0. That x place is 0, sin 0 degrees is equal to root of 0 by 2. Root of 0 is equal to root of 0 square. 0 square means 0 into 0. Divided by 2. Square root cancel. Then 0 by 2. 0 by 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Numerator place is 0. Denominator place is 2 is there. That value is 0. 0. Divided by 2, 2 zeros are 0, then that value is 0. Okay, I understand. Next, sin 0 value is 0. 0 degree value is 0. Next, sin 30 degrees value. Second one, sin 30 degrees value. First, I will take 0 and second one I will take 1. Root 1 by 2. What is the root 1? Root 1 is equal to 1 square. 1 square means 1 into 1. That's why I will take 1 square by 2 is equal to square root cancel 1 by 2. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2. Next, sin 45 value. Next, sin of 45 degrees. Sin 45 degrees is equal to x place I will take 2. Root of 2 by 2. Root of 2 by 2. On this place, please clearly watch it. Root 2 by 2 is there. Same 2 and 2 is there. Both are numerator place, denominator place. But numerator place is root 2 is there. Root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2. That's why I will take root 2 by root 2. In mathematical fundamental formula is no change. ఏదైనా కానీ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ లో ఒక ఫండమెంటల్ ఫార్ములా అనేది ఒకటి ఉంటుంది. చేంజ్ కాకుండా వాల్యూ అనేది చేంజ్ కాకుండా మనం ఏ రకంగానైనా రాసుకోవచ్చు. On this place I will take root 2 by root 2. Root 2 by root 2 means 1. Root 2 by 2 into 1 is equal to root 2 by 2. That value is no change. That's why I will take root 2 by root 2. Okay now. Next, on this place sin 45 degrees is equal to multiplication. Numerator is numerator root 2 into root 2 by denominator is denominator 2 into root 2. Then root 2 into root 2 means root 2 whole square. Okay. Then same as it is root a into root of a is equal to root a whole square. Is there? Same as it is root 2 into root 2 is equal to root 2 whole square by 2 root 2. 2 into root 2 means 2 root 2. Then sin 45 degrees is equal. Then sin 45 degrees is equal. Square root cancel 2 by 2 root 2. 2 to cancel is equal to 1 by root 2 is the sin 45 value. Okay, I understand. Okay, is it clear? Sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. ఇక్కడ మనం చూడండి, ఇక్కడ ఒక్క విషయాన్ని మీరు బాగా గమనించండి. √2/2 ఉంది కాబట్టి మనం √2/√2తోనే మనం మల్టిప్లై చేసినాం. ప్రతి దానికి ఈ విధంగానే చేయాలనేది లేదు. ఇక్కడ న్యూమరేటర్ ప్లేస్ లో రూట్ వాల్యూ ఉంచుకోకుండా డినామినేటర్ ప్లేస్ లో రూట్ వాల్యూ వచ్చే విధంగా ఉంది కాబట్టి మాత్రమే మనం చేశాము. ఓకే, ఐ అండర్స్టాండ్. నెక్స్ట్ sin 60 degrees. Next, sin of 60 degrees. Sin 60 degrees is equal to, I will take √3 on this place, x place 3, √3/2. That is no change. Sin 60 value is equal to √3/2. Next, sin of 90 degrees. Sin 90 degrees is equal to, I will take √4/2. What is the √4? Sin 90 degrees is equal to √4 means √2 into 2 by 2. Then sin 90 degrees is equal to √2 into 2 means √2 square by 2. 2 square root cancel. Then 2/2. 2 1 is equal to 1/1 is equal to 1. Sin 90 degree value is 1. Okay, are you understand? Is it clear? Sin values. Okay, sin 0 degree value is 0. Sin 30 degree value is 1/2. Sin 45 degree value is 1/√2. Sin 60 degree value is √3/2. Sin 90 degrees to 0 degree values, cos 0 degrees to 90 degrees value, both are equal. Please listen it. Sin 90 degree value is 1. Then cos 0 degree value is 1. Sin 60 degree value is √3/2. Then cos 30 degree value is √3/2. Sin 45 degrees value is 1/√2. Cos 45 degree value is 1/√2. Sin 30 degree value is cos 60 degree value 1/2. Sin 0 degree value 0, cos 90 degree value 0. Is it okay? Is it clear? Next, tan values. Tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. Okay, is the fundamental formula. Are you clearly understand? This is the right angle triangle. This right angle triangle is opposite is hypotenuse, and I will see from the ABC C angle. The C angle opposite is perpendicular and other is base. Then the formula is PBP. Pari bag lo pen unda. బాపు. పరి బ్యాగ్ లో పెన్ ఉందా? బాపు. That sin value is P/H, cos value is B/H, tan value is P/B. Then tan value is equal to P/B. P/B. Okay. Tan A is equal to sin A. Sin A means P/H by cos A. Cos A means B/H. This is equal to P/H into denominator place goes to the numerator place, goes to the upper side. Denominator is numerator is denominator. B. Get cancel. That answer is P/B. Tan value is P/B. Okay, understanding. Tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. Okay, tan A value is P/B, and that is also sin A value is P/H and cos A value B/H. Denominator place goes to the numerator place. That is the change. Numerator is denominator is numerator. Then P/B is equal to P/B. That is the tan value. Sin A by cos A. Okay, I understand. Tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. Then tan 0 degree value. Then tan 0 degree is equal to sin 0 by cos 0. Sin 0 means 0. Cos 0 means 1. Then 0 by 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Tan A is equal, tan 0 degree is equal to 0. Next, tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees is equal to sin 30 degrees by cos 30 degrees. Sin 30 degree value 1 by 2. Then cos 30 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3. Okay. Denominator place goes to the upper side. Denominator is numerator. Numerator is denominator. Then 2 is cancelled. That value is 1 by root 3. Okay. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. Next, tan 45 degrees value. Then tan 45 degrees is equal 1 sin 45 degrees by cos 45 degrees. 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. Then 1 by root 2 into denominator places goes to the numerator place. Numerator place is denominator place. Root 2 is cancelled. 1 by 1 is equal to 1. Then tan 45 value is 1. Next, tan 60 degrees. Okay. Always remember it. Tan A is equal sin A by cos A. Okay. Next, I will take tan 60 degree value. Tan of 60 degrees is equal to sin 60 degrees by cos 60 degrees. Then sin 60 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 by cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. Root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1. 2 cancel, root 3 by 1. Root 3 by 1 is equal to root 3. Okay. Next, tan 90 degrees. Tan of 90 degrees is equal to sin 90 degrees by cos 90 degrees. Okay. Then tan 90 degrees is equal to sin 90 degrees is equal to 1 by cos 90 degrees is equal to 0. Denominator place is 0 is there. That value is undefinable. That value is undefinable. It is the infinity. Okay, I understand. 1 divided by 0. 0 1 ja 0. 0 0 ja 0. That is not definable. But 1 by 0. 0 by 1 is equal to 0. 0 1 0 ja 0. That is 0. 0 by 1 value is 0. But 1 by 0 is equal to infinity. Undefinable. Okay. Numerator place is 0 is there. Denominator place is any number is there. That value is 0. But numerator is 1 is there. Denominator place is 0. That numerator place is any number is there. Denominator place is 0. That value is undefinable. It's infinity. Okay. That tan value is completed. Next, cosec values. Cosec A is equal to 1 by sin A. Cosec A value is 1 by sin A. Okay, cosec is equal to 1 by sin A. Please once again I will explain. This one is rectangle. Rectangle opposite is hypotenuse, and I will see from the C opposite is perpendicular and other side is base. Pari, baglo, penunda, ha. Bapu, Bapu. Then sin value is b by h, cos value is b by h, tan value is p by b, cosec value is h by p, and sec value is h by b, and tan cot value is p by b, That is a reversion of. Then that's why cosec value is h by p. Suppose h by p is the cosec a value. Then 1 by sin a. Sin mean p by h. This is equal to 1 into this denominator place goes to the numerator place. Denominator is numerator, numerator is denominator. Then 1 into h by p. H by p is equal to h by p, and that's mean cosec a value is 1 by sin a. Okay, I understand. Next, I will explain the cosec 0 degree value. Cosec 0 degree value. Cosec 0 degree. Cosec 0 degree is equal to 1 by sin 0 degree. Then cosec 0 degree is equal to 1 by sin 0 degree. Sin 0 degree is equal to 0. 1 by 0 is equal to infinity. Denominator place is 0 is there. That value is infinity. Okay. Next. Cosec 30 degrees. Next. Cosec 30 degrees is equal to 1 by sin 30 degrees. Then 1 by sin 30 degree value is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to 1 into 2 by 1 is equal to 2. 1 into 2. 2 by 1. 2 by 1 is equal to 2. Next, cosec 30 value is 2. Next, cosec 45 degrees. Cosec 45 degrees is equal to 1 by sin 45 degrees. 1 by sin 45. What is the sin 45? 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. This is equal to 1 into root 2 by 1. 1 into root 2. Root 2 by 1 is equal to root 2. Okay. Cosec 45 is equal to root 2. Next, cosec 60 degrees. Cosec 60 degrees is equal to 1 by sin 60 degrees. Then cosec 60 degrees is equal 1 by sin 60 degrees. Sin 60 degrees is mean root 3 by 2 is equal 1 into 2 by root 3. Then 1 into 2, 2 by root 3. That value is cosec 60 degree value is 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. Next, cosec 90 degrees. Next, cosec 90 degrees. Cosec 90 degrees. Cosec 90 degrees is equal to 1 by sin 90 degrees. Then cosec 90 degrees is equal 1 by sin 90 degrees. Sin 90 degree value is 1. 1 by 1 is equal to 1. 1. Okay. Is it clear? Cosec values is also clear. Total all values are clear. Tan 90 degrees to 0 degree value is cot 0 degrees to 90 degrees value. That's why I will take first infinity, second root 3, third 1, fourth 1 by root 3, fifth 0. Next, cosec 90 degrees to 0 degree value is sec 0 degrees to 90 degrees value. That's why I will take 1, I will take 2 by root 3, next root 2 to infinity. Is it clear? root 2 by 2. I use this formula. Okay, that trigonometrical values table is completed. Next class I will explain the other method of trigonometrical values table. Okay.